We want to turn our attention to Georgia, where jury selection was supposed to begin today in the hit-and-run Vigilante trial. More on the reason for the delay in just a moment. But first, Hannah Payne, the defendant, is accused of murdering 62-year-old Kenneth Herring after an alleged struggle over a gun back in May of 2019. Just moments earlier, witnesses say that Herring had run a red light and hit an 18-wheeler, causing damage to both vehicles. The then 21-year-old defendant pulled over to help, but when Herring got back into his car and drove off, the defendant, Payne, decided to follow him and eventually confronted him. Court TV's crime and justice correspondent Matt Johnson has more on that case.
On May 7th at approximately 6:15 p.m., the Clay County Police Department responded to a person shot call at the corner of Forest Parkway and Riverdale Road.
May 7th, 2019, 21-year-old Hannah Payne witnessed 62-year-old Kenneth Herring run into an 18-wheeler at a busy Atlanta area intersection during rush hour. She and another eyewitness, a corrections officer in the infirmary at a nearby prison, had rushed to his truck to find out what happened.
He observed Mr. Herring to have red to orange eyes. He observed Mr. Herring walk around his truck several times. He was disoriented. He was asking what happened, who hit me, what's going on.
Payne stayed at the scene of the accident while the corrections officer attempted to assist Kenneth Herring.
Apparently what had happened, according to both EMS and to members of his family, was that Mr. Herring was a diabetic. They thought he was having some kind of a medical emergency and trying to drive himself to a hospital that's about 3 miles from where all this happened.
About 20 minutes after the accident, Kenneth Herring left the scene, and the medic witness asked Hannah Payne to follow him to get his tag number. Payne was on the phone with 911, and the dispatcher told her to stop following Herring. Atlanta station WSB showed a video of Payne crying in court when the 911 call was played in a hearing a few weeks after the incident.
And no, we actually do not want you to chase him. We just want you to be safe. He is drunk. I'm sorry that I'm here to tell you I'm not going to follow him because he has going to cause another accident.
But Hannah Payne did not go back to the scene of the initial accident. She followed Kenneth Herring for about a mile before she was able to cut him off and force him to stop.
An altercation then ensued between the two of them, and during the altercation, Mr. Herring was shot and killed.
Ma'am, you just pulled the trigger of my gun in my hand. Ma'am, I'm not supposed to follow him.
The state says after the 911 call, Payne told police officers multiple times that she is the one who shot Mr. Herring.
There are multiple statements made by this defendant. She makes statements to 2 police officers when they arrive on scene that are prior to any detention, spontaneous statements. The officers generally ask who fired a shot, and she makes statements to both of them, admitting it was her. An officer walks up to her and asks her if she minds telling him what happened, and she gives a statement. She is then taken to Clinton County Police Department, where she is then Mirandized and gives a full interview.
Payne's defense team says that she was trying to keep Kenneth Herring from causing a second accident.
The defense has kind of said that she was this all-American girl type and that she was just trying to be a good citizen when she decided to follow Kenneth Herring and get his license plate.
Prosecutors say that Hannah Payne acted with malice, premeditation, and they've charged her with 3 counts murder, as well as weapons charges.
Jury selection was set to begin today, followed by opening statements this afternoon. But when the defense attorney, Matthew Tucker, didn't show up this morning, the court soon discovered that he was in the hospital. Despite having possibly suffered a stroke, Tucker was found in contempt of court by the judge for not alerting anyone to the development.
I'm going to find that Mr. Tucker is in contempt of court. He failed to follow the rules of court in notifying the court. I am going to also file a grievance with the State Bar of Georgia because of his behavior. This is not the first time I've had an issue with him failing to come and come on time. He's doing you a disservice because you've been here. And You have a right to have counsel who's going to be diligently representing you and advocating on you zealously, and he has not been doing that. So I would advise you to find new counsel. I will take care of everything else on my end. There's not going to be a trial today in the matter of State of Georgia versus Hannah Payne.